All right, y'all, so this is wild. I'm back. I know I haven't been up here for a while, since Vlogmas 2020 to be exact, so almost a full year. But just so many things have been going on this past year. 2021 was wild for me. And so I just need to take the time that I needed to just get my life together and get my life in order. And now I'm back to be doing what I love to do. Love to make videos, love to do hair videos, love to do nursing, lifestyle, whatever. And so I just am excited to finally be back, be in the headspace to do what I love to do. So with that being said, I've had so many big life monumental moments going on this past year that I will delve into in the next couple videos. So that's very exciting. I have a couple videos that I already filmed. I have a graduation vlog, which was back in May, but I'm still gonna put it out because it was an exciting time. So I graduated, I went to Vegas. I passed my nursing exam. I'm officially an RN, so period. Like, put some respect on my name. Big RN, BSN. And yeah, I just had a lot of fun along the way. My birthday just happened. My birthday's November 2nd, so I just spent a lot of time with my family and friends. So just a lot of positive things have been going on. So just want to officially welcome y'all back to my channel, and I'm not going nowhere this time. So yeah, stay tuned. There will be a couple videos coming after this. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas 2021, so stay tuned and excited for that, because I'm excited to hopefully crank out 25 Vlogmas videos. We will see, and hopefully that'll get me back on track to be on my YouTube stuff again. So yes, welcome back. Subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.